After that, we will configure. Okay, by using SQL Server, we have to create how to create data source in the by using SQL by using Oracle database. First of all, we have to contact application team for the JNDA name and user ID and password purpose. We have to contact application team. What is the data source means? We have to connect the application to database by using the JNDA name. Okay, JNDA means Java naming directory interface. Okay, this is the middle way. This is the middle of the application and database. Okay, there are some default databases are there, Sybase, uh, MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle. Every database have some port numbers. Oracle have 1521 and SQL Server 1433, DB2 50,000. Default some port numbers are there. Okay. What are the requirement to create the data source? Okay. This is the steps. Okay. Go to console, minimize, minimize. Go to security, under global security. Authentication, Java authentication authorization, click J2C authentication data. Yeah, click move. I will give my own database Oracle underscore DB. Yes. Yeah. See once again. Go to connect. This is the Ganesh is the database. Okay. This is the database name means this is the data source name is JNDA name. This will give an application team. This name will given the application team. Okay. Here DB password, DB name. Ganesh is the DB name, database name, and DB password. Previously we are connected to the Oracle database. review and sync save changes. Okay, everything is successful. Synchronization. Okay, this is the step one. This is my database. This is step one. Step two. Go to resources. Click JDBC. Click JDBC provider. Select scope. Based on the requirement, we will select as the scope. Okay. Now I will select cluster. Cluster means failover control. Any one cluster means combination of two or more application servers known as a cluster. Means any one application down will run under the another application. There is no impact. Yeah, click new. Okay. These are the default databases. DB2 you have 50,000 data, the port number. Derive by Oracle 1521, Sybase SQL Server 1433 is the port numbers. I will select Oracle. Provided type. I will select the ODBC driver, JDBC driver, Java database connectivity. Here, XA and non-XA data source. Connection pool means only single phase commit. XA means two phase commit the transaction. Okay. Suppose see this is the non-XA data source. This page belongs to this page will comes under non-XA data source. XA data source means whenever your type you have to click the enter. This will comes under the XA data source. Okay, this is the example for XA and non-XA data source. This is the example. Okay, after that, this is the example. Next, next, finish. Step 2 is completed. Step 2, we have to created the JDBC provider. By using JDBC provider, we have to create the data source. Anything failure or all success? Click particular JDBC provider. Go to additional properties. Click data sources. Click new. Yeah. Here my data source name is Ganesh. Data source name nothing but database name Ganesh. This is the my database name. This is database name. Connect Ganesh. After that, JNDA name followed by JDBC/Ganesh. See? JDBC/ the data source name here. JDBC/Ganesh. This is my data source name. Okay. Next. Application team, they provided the URL for connecting the database. I have one URL. This is the URL, thin driver. There are 2-3 drivers are there, thin, thick drivers are there. Thin means directly connected. Thick means by using thin driver, we have to connect the database. Thick means directly connected. Click next. Select. This is my database. We have to map the application with the database by using this module. See, this is my database. See. Click next. Data is completed. We have step 3 is completed. Everything is success. Okay. Go to environments, WebSphere variables. Select scope as a cluster. Okay. Okay. Delete. Everything is deleted. Okay. Scope creating cluster. Create new. I will give name is the ODJBC native path. Here, this is the path. This is the universal driver path where it is located under the jar file. Yes, go to C drive, program files, IBM, WebSphere, app server. Yep. See, this is the driver. This is common path for all drivers. Okay. This is the universal driver path is located under the in this path. All drivers are located in this path. This is copy, same copy paste, same URL. But we will represent two slashes. Here we will represent two slashes means exact directory purpose. I have given this URL. These two forward slashes. Nothing new. Apply. This is nothing but log rotation. After completed fourth step completed, log rotation. Okay, save. 90% syllabus completed. Data source. Go to system administration and click node agents. Select all and click restart all server and nodes. Means in the DMGR console, if any changes will applicable, only restart the all servers on the nodes. Otherwise, we cannot reflect the your changes. Okay. Go to navigate to DMGR console, security, click global security, click authorization, authentication authorization under Java authentication authorization. In that J2C authentication data, in that we have to give database credentials, alias name, database user ID, password. Okay. After this is step one. This is step one. Okay. This is step two. This is step two. Click go to resources. Click JDBC. Under JDBC provider, select scope. Scope as a cluster. According to the client requirement, we will select scope. Okay. Click new, select database type, provider type, implementation type, either XA or non-XA. XA means single phase commit, two phase commit the transaction. This is okay. After click next, click path. Okay. After that, you click JDBC provider under select particular JDBC provider. After that, Oracle click. This is the driver name. Under driver name, we have to give data source name. This will use application team. They will use this URL. Okay. After that, you have to configure the database and map the application with database name. After that, log rotation. This is the way to create the data source. Yeah. Except we will the transaction, we will the transaction. After, after restart, go to resources. Under JDBC, click JDBC provider. Click particular JDBC provider. Under data source, click select particular data source. Click the test connection. Is success or not? We'll see. Any errors? We'll see node agent logs. Node agent logs nothing but system out.log under system error.log. It's success. No errors. It's all success. Right? This is the way to create the data source in Oracle. We have one more database is there. That is SQL Server database. We will see that one also. Click JDBC provider. In this situation, okay. This I am select DMGR cell as a scoop. Right, click new. We have see one more time how to create the data source. Select database. DB2 to have 50,000 port number. Oracle 1521. SQL Server 1433 is the port number. This is SQL Server JDBC driver. By using this driver, establish the connection between front end to back end. Implementation type. Now in this time, I will select XA data source. Means to first commit the transaction. Okay, click next. Click next. Finish. JDBC provider is successfully created. By using JDBC provider, we will create data source. We will log in SQL Server. Remember. Start. I will start the database. It started. Now it's connected. Yes, I have successfully logged in the database. This This is the my database. Ganesh is the database. Here some default databases are there. Master, Ganesh, model, embedded, this type of we have focus on the this one. This is database. Control C. Okay. Select particular JDBC provider. Select data source. Click new. Here I given my database name Ganesh. Here save JDBC slash Ganesh. Nothing problem. If anything is there, no, nothing is there. Yes. Here my database name is Ganesh. My server name is my machine name, computer name. Properties. This is my computer name. Copy, paste, click next. We will select later. Click next. Finish. Review. Sync and save. Everything is success, no failure. Okay. Go to security. Then click global security. Click Java, then expand Java authentication authorization. Go to J2C authentication data. Per default is there. We have to remove that one. Okay. Okay, click new underscore db default is here. This is SQL server user ID and this is password. Connect the database. Apply. Review. Sync. Save changes. All success, no failure. Okay. Click JDBC provider. We have to map the application with database. Okay. Data source. Click particular data source. Here, map the modules. Here, SQL DB. Here, SQL DB. Okay. After mapping the modules, click apply. Save changes. Everything is success. Okay. We have to minimize, go to environment, WebSphere variables, okay. DMGR cell, select a scoop. Click new. You have to click JDBC driver path, JDBC native path, SQL Server native path. There are 3 log rotation will be applicable for SQL Server database. See, mm, minute. This one. This is JDBC path. This is universal driver path location. Previously we have seen data source, program files, IBM, WebSphere, app server. This is SQL Server JDBC driver path. By using this driver, we have to establish the connection between the front end to back end. This is the jar file is mandatory. We have to place under this location. This is the common for all JDBC drivers. Java database connectivity. Apply. Review. Sync changes. Everything is success. This is JDBC native path. Log rotation. This will comes under log rotation. Same. This is universal driver path location. No need to change. This is database rotation. Click new. This is universal driver path location. Click apply. Save changes. Everything success, no failure. Okay. We have to restart the nodes. Node agents. Click node agent. Select all. We have to restart the all servers on node. When we are changing the DMDR console, will applicable only restart the nodes, node agents. Restart means one application server is down and start. Start. One by one, it's applicable. Data source is very important. Yes, supply. It's all up and running. Go to resources. Click JDBC provider. Click SQL Server JDBC provider. Click data sources. Click particular data source and test the connection. It is success, no issues. Failure, we have issues with the connection. We will see all success, no issues. We have see node agent lacks. Node agent lacks nothing but system.log and system er.log. This this is system.log. Okay. Click, select. Right. We are seeing connection properties, minimum connections, maximum connections, unused connection, aged connections, purge policy. We are seeing in after these connections. We will provide notes for those concept. Okay. Connection pool properties. Under connection pool properties, connection timeout 180 seconds. Minimum maximum connection 10. Minimum is 0. I will put 1, no problem. Wait time, unused time. Okay. This is the connections related to database. Okay. Minimum connection timeout is 180 seconds. When load balancer have some connections, user send a request to the database until 180 seconds. After 180 seconds, you have to connection is destroy the connections. Maximum connections is 10. Means at a time 10 requests will be allowed to the database. Minimum 1. Unused means a connection is not used until 180 1800 milliseconds. It is thrown out of the pool. Purge policy means entire policy fail connection only. Entire fail connection means in a load balancer any connection is failed, we are thrown out of the pool. This is the data source concept. Review. Select test to connection success. You see, lots. Any issues we see under days and logs, no errors, no issues. This is about the data source.